Hey everybody, Paul here, and welcome to another edition of Beard Science. Now this one is going to be a hot one because we are going to talk about fire. Danger, danger. Now listen, don't do any of these at home. I didn't do any of them at home, and neither should you. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, I think we've all heard of the fire triangle. That is an oxidizer, usually oxygen, heat, and fuel. You can see here we have all three elements. We have the heat from the blowtorch. We have the fuel, which is ejected out of the spray bottle. And we have all the oxygen in the room, and we get fire. There's a fourth component. Notice that the fire does not go out right away. This is the fourth element, and it is a chain reaction. A chain reaction sustains the fire until one of the elements runs out. Cool. Above the fire, hot air is rising and drawing in colder air from the sides toward the bottom. Then when we begin to spin the mesh trash can, air begins to spin in a rotation. And as that air moves closer to the center, it spins faster and faster, causing the flames to spiral. It's fantastic. Now, I know what you're thinking. It wasn't big enough, was it? Well, check out this fire tornado at the Singapore Science Center. It's awesome. Now, these two balloons are filled with hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, and also number one on the periodic chart, and highly flammable. Right now, it is inert, but once we strike the candle to it, that applies that initial heat that we need to cause quite a combustive reaction. Check it out. Boom! I know what you're thinking. What's better than 2 hydrogen balloons? How about 13 with some magnesium? Water bottle has been filled with a liquid which is flammable. It quickly turns into a gas, and when lit, you can see that we have a combustive reaction and that fire is pushed out of the nozzle. Very, very much like the fire out of the nozzles of a rocket, except in this case, they would be pointed downward. In this case, the fire is pushing our bottle down to the ground. Fire! We can also use fire to create different colored flames. Now we do this by adding a metal salt. When that metal salt is burned, each one that is different will produce a different color. Here you see from left to right, we have potassium, copper in the middle, and lithium. Isn't it beautiful? And we also use this technology in creating these. Fire! It really blows my mind.